Time to eat. You know that, right? Today I'm gonna make angel hair pasta black garlic style. Remember we had black garlic powder last week or the week before? Well, I have the genuine black garlic cloves. And this is gonna be the simplest and most delicious angel hair spaghetti meal I ever had. I have my water boiling already. Come over here, I'll show you with my Cosori multi-cooker. See, this is the Cosori multi-cooker. I have it on boil right now. It has other functions like slow cook, oven. Look at that. I'm glad I started it early. Water's boiling. I'll take my 1 pound of angel hair. And it's gonna fit nice. You don't have to worry about breaking it in half or anything like that. See that? Oh, get in there. Already salted the water. Put a shot of olive oil in there. Just for fun. Give it a little stir. Put the lid back on. Whoa! Okay, now you're curious about black garlic. Here's the black garlic. Move this back a little bit. Oh, smell that. As soon as I open the bag, I smell that. Alright, let me show you compared to regular garlic. Black garlic is aged. Aged anywhere from weeks to months in a perfectly controlled temperature and humidity environment. And it started out as this size and it aged down to that size. It's going to be a different texture than what we're used to with garlic. So let me just cut that in half and show you what we're starting with here. See? Black garlic. Now it has a different consistency than we're used to. It's almost spreadable, see? See that? Reminds me of vanilla beans. If we scrape the vanilla out, look at that. Let me taste that. I'm going to scrape what I can out there into a bowl and mix that with olive oil and add that to my angel hair. How many utensils do I use? Maybe a spoon. Look at them both, see? The cloves are there. Get that open quick. You're all curious about this. Look at it. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't this beautiful? Look. Easier to peel than regular garlic, huh? When you go that way. And black garlic has 50% more antioxidants than regular garlic because of the way it's processed. This is going to be so good. Look at it. This is going on my next pizza. I'm going to check the time for my angel hair. So, alright, let's try it. We'll look at it in about 4 minutes. Look at this. I'll try to keep the peel out of there a little bit. But look at it. And top it with black garlic powder. Excuse my fingers. What a mess. It smells so good though. Look how easy this is. And it tastes a little sweeter. People have asked me what does it taste like. It's a little sweeter and still garlicky. Tastes a little sweeter. Okay. Imagine that on top of my angel hair. Wash my hands off. Perfume. This multi-coater comes in handy. You might have seen it before. Okay, now my idea is to add some olive oil to this. And you don't have to do that. Just do this. Let's do this. Let it melt in there. It has a sticky texture that if you used a food processor, it might just stick around the edges, but then the olive oil might loosen it up. Correct? Baking the bowl. Baking the bowl. Everybody baking the bowl. And 1 head of garlic is gonna be plenty for that pound of angel hair, I imagine. Don't want too much olive oil. We just want enough. I would put that in there anyway if I wasn't using garlic or black garlic. Isn't this a simple meal? It's almost done already. What took the longest was heating up the water. And you don't have to use a multi-cooker. You could use it in your regular spaghetti pan. I can't wait to pour that over top there. I can't wait to eat it. It's almost time to eat. Check the noodles again. Where's my noodle checker? Okay. I say they're ready. Stand back, everyone. Yeah. It's gonna be easier. All right, let's drain the water from my pasta. Draining my pasta from the water. Here's my other hat for outside. Step aside. You step aside. Everybody step aside. This has nice silicone handles. I use pot holders anyway. Shake it a little bit. Put it back in. Hold on to your hat. Okay. All right, we're getting excited. The marriage of black garlic and olive oil to my meal. Could use more or less, but believe me, that 1 head is going to go a long way. Oh yeah. Salt and pepper. I can put this into a serving bowl for me, and I'll be right there to taste it. All right, put the lid back on with nice rubber soft sides. Cosori multi-cooker, I like it a lot. Voila! Oh! Hang on, not ready yet. Let me sit down here. Chef Hattie here. Parmesan cheese if you like. Finish it off with some powdered black garlic. This smells and looks so delicious. I never had black garlic angel hair before. Look at this. Can't say that again, can I? Isn't that delicious? This one will go with that. A fresh hunk of bread. It says fresh hunk of bread there. See it? Hunka, hunka. Hunka, hunka freshness. Ooh. We break bread. Bread and butter, bread and butter, bread and butter. Eat the spaghetti already. Go make it perfect. I wish you could smell it right now. There I go. Black garlic. Remember, 50% more antioxidants than regular garlic. Angel hair. Ooh. Wow, that black garlic. You gonna try some? Could I add more olive oil? Or I'd like to put butter on here. It's so good. You believe me, don't you? Look at it. Manja. Try it. We found it at a regular store. Or you could send away for it too, I'm sure. Yeah, you can, because I looked before we found it. Before I went out shopping, because I don't shop very much. It's turning the pasta brownish. It's not the powder. I noticed it while it was in the cooker too. It's turning it a little caramelized color. Look at that. All right, I'm glad you stopped by to watch this. I'm gonna finish this and probably have some leftovers. Well, everybody, have a nice day. Make yourself some black garlic, angel hair, spaghetti, whatever. Imagine the possibilities. Try it, it's good. Or at least try this. I want some more. All right, please subscribe. Stop back soon. Bye. Hey! There you go.